Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing great. Today I am going to show you how to make a realistic eye with mature skin. This reference image is from Pinterest and I have given the link in the description box below. So just for your reference, this is a side-by-side comparison of the actual image and the drawing I made. So let's get started with the video. I used a masking tape for a crisp seamless border. For the darkest areas I used soft charcoal pencil, then blended it out with a soft brush. After that I used an eraser pencil to add highlights. This process of charcoal, brush, and then eraser will be repeated many times for a realistic outcome. The links for all the things I used is listed in the description box below. I took just a tiny amount of charcoal powder on a brush and used it on the outer corner of the eye for depth. Then taking more charcoal on the brush and using it in the inner part of the eye as shown in the picture. Also using the same powder to add darkness on all the areas which appear more darker according to the picture. The key to get a soft finish is to blend with a soft hand. Now with a soft charcoal pencil, I am trying to make the wrinkle lines, just as the picture. I am going to keep coming back to the darker areas to add more darkness until I am satisfied. I first started with the lowest grade powder, 2B, then gradually made my way up to the highest grade powder, 8B. This helps to give the art a more realistic look. For the wrinkles, it can be seen that it's a line and under it is highlighted. So by using a pencil and eraser this can be achieved easily. By using a battery-operated eraser, skin texture on the eyelids can be easily made by making tiny dots and then brushing it out for softness. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on cool tutorials. The eyelashes are the easiest thing to draw. Think of it as just marking tick marks. But keep in mind, the start of the eyelash should always be thicker than the end. So put pressure and then release. Now comes my most favorite part. Using white gel pens. White gel pens can really change your game in making your drawing appear more realistic. If you guys have any question regarding anything in this video, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely answer them all. forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on cool tutorials. Finally, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it and hope you got to learn something from it. Do check out my other videos as well. And see you next time.